So guys, what's up and welcome back to the YouTube channel. In case this happens to be your first time, make sure to like and subscribe. Now this video is about Asafa Powell and his wife. So Asafa Powell was being seen on a video dancing with his wife. A big shout out to the Blood YouTube channel. He motivated me to make this video. So Asafa Powell was dancing sexily with his wife, and people were reacting, saying that she is not supposed to dance this way, and that the woman is very calm in reality, but them seeing her dancing this way was unexpected, that they did not see it coming, right? They said her dancing moves were something else, and they were totally shocked. And that is why it is not good to judge a book by its cover, because in reality Asafa Powell's wife doesn't look like someone that would dance comfortably in a club without feeling shy. Asafa Powell's wife is a very shy woman. She's very shy. But me watching this video and seeing how she's dancing was a total surprise, not just to me but to so many Jamaicans, because when they posted the video under the comment section, I found out that so many people were also complaining about this particular woman, that her dancing, it was so unexpected. Like they didn't see it coming, right? It was totally shocked to them. But I think she's beautiful. I think she's beautiful, and I believe they are going to have, and they are going to born beautiful kid. I mean, they are perfect match from heaven, right? Anyway guys, let me hear your opinion. What do you think about this video? And also, do not forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.